Hello, today I'm going to be showing you the tripod that is inside this cool bag. So when you open it up, you just pull the drawstring and then you can slide the bag open. You can pull all the products out. So here's what you would put your camera in or your phone. It comes with a Bluetooth remote and the directions. And inside the bag, you also, of course, have the tripod. So I love that it comes in the carrying bag, so that way it makes it easy for you to transport and use the tripod on the go. So the tripod is super simple to set up, and it even has levels on here, so you can make sure that no matter how uneven your ground is, you can get the tripod level and your camera level. So there's two levels, one here and one here, to make sure everything is centered and level. So all you have to do is slide this up and down to get it. So right here on the legs, you have 4 different levels of adjustment. You have one here, another one, and even another one to make sure you get the right height for you. And you can also adjust here. So here, so you can see it a little more. You can go all the way up and down. It also has the screw up top here, so you can screw in a light if you would like, or you can put your holder on here. And I love the handle here, so that way you can move your camera angle up and down, and you can do it in a slow, steady motion if you're needing to follow something while videoing, or if you just need to adjust the angle down for a picture. Which brings us to our Bluetooth remote here. So you have the iOS option or the Android option for your Bluetooth remote, and here is the on and off switch. So it's super simple to connect your Bluetooth to here. You just turn it on and connect it, and then when you are ready, you can snap a picture by just pressing the button, or start a video and end a video by a press of a button. The remote makes it super simple to take pictures and videos without having to run back and forth. So again, I love how lightweight this tripod is and how mobile it is to take anywhere. Super lightweight. The bag makes it super simple to transport and be on the go for all your photography needs. So other than making it super simple to take pictures or videos, the bag is such a great way to carry your tripod around, so you're not having to mess with all the pieces and trying to hold it together. And the lightweight makes it to where it's not going to hurt your shoulder or anything while you are on the go. I can't wait to go take some family pictures with the on-the-go tripod bag. It is so lightweight and simple to carry around.